The list cleaning feature enables you to verify and validate email addresses without sending any emails, ensuring that only real, safe, and deliverable contacts remain on your list. Let's see how to filter and clean contacts using the list cleaning add-ons. Click on the profile icon in the navigation bar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on Add-ons. Toggle the switch next to List Cleaning to enable it. Confirm that List Cleaning is now activated. Click on the Analytics tab in the navigation bar. Press the Clean Now button on the page. In the modal, select the option most suitable. Filter by status will help you filter contacts. Selecting Valid will give only working and deliverable email addresses. Selecting Invalid will give data of email addresses that are incorrect or can't be reached. Selecting Unknown will give the status of email that couldn't be confirmed yet. Click on Filter by Status to uncheck all options. After selecting Contacts for cleaning, click the Start Cleaning button in the modal. In the main interface, observe the All-Time Contact Overview section. The list is now clean and ready to be exported. Click the Export button. In the Export Data modal, choose your desired time range and click the Export button. The data will be sent to your email address registered with Sendx.